Hi, it's Serena from Festival Bookkeeping. Just wanted to jump on and do a short video talking about archiving invoices in Cliniko, and especially if you have your Xero accounting software integrated with Cliniko, you might find this helpful. So I'm already in the Invoices screen of my demo company of Cliniko. I'm going to open up Ricky Baker's invoice because that's the one I want to archive. So up here in the top right hand corner we can see archive, so just a matter of clicking on that one. We'll be asked if we definitely want to continue. We say OK, and that one's disappeared. So it's important to note that if you've archived an invoice in Cliniko, you can't use that same invoice number again. You can actually retrieve that invoice if you need to. So if you archived it in error, you can get it back, but you do have to contact the Cliniko team and they'll do that for you. If you are having trouble archiving invoices, it may be that you don't have the right level of access. So your user level might not be one that allows you to do that. The reason you might want to archive invoices in Cliniko is mainly because it's a mistake. So that would be the main reason. Obviously, if it was something that you just could edit, you could go in and edit that. You wouldn't remove the whole invoice. So what happens in Xero when we archive a Cliniko invoice? So if they are integrated, you might expect that the invoice has been archived in Xero as well, but that's not true. You will actually have to pop over into Xero and manually void that one as well. So I've got my demo company of Xero open. I'm going to navigate to my invoices list, click on all, and I'm searching for Ricky Baker's, there's Ricky Baker's invoice. I'm going to come over here and void that one. So once again, I'm being asked, do I definitely want to void it? I say OK. So that one's gone from our records as well. But similar to Cliniko, we still do have a paper trail of what has happened. So just a matter of coming over into see all our invoices. I'm going to search, type in Ricky, and I want to come over here and click this box, include, deleted and voided, hit search, and I can see Ricky Baker's invoice here, and it clearly tells us over here in red that that one's been voided, so we can still see the invoice, but it's just out of sight and won't come up in statements that we might create for Ricky Baker. Once again, in Xero, you can't reuse that number, so we wouldn't be able to use this particular invoice number again. In Cliniko, if I just pop back over, we can see what has been voided, so it doesn't disappear completely. If we pop over to settings and we scroll down to data and docs and click on data exports, we can select invoices if that's what we want to view, change our date range, we can leave that at CSV, and once again we just need to tick this box to say include archive records, hit exported data, and this just happens to be the one that we archived. You might notice that the file format up here is CSV, so that's nothing to be afraid of. It just means the extension is .csv on the end, and it's a really helpful type of file format that can be imported into software applications. If you've been using Xero accounting software for a while, you may be familiar with it in case you've ever manually imported bank statements. So we often do that using a file with a CSV type format. That's it. Hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for watching.